All right, all right. Let's have a conversation about these two trades I took today. So first trade, we were market open, we pushed down, okay, and then right after market open, I saw a aggressive push up displacement, and I figured that this was the morning manipulation. Kind of get all those that were sitting in longs, get them out, and then that way they could just go ahead and take off. All right, so that's kind of what my logic was. We had this fair value gap right here, and I was expecting a push through. I was very aggressive and got in the trade way too early and ended up getting stopped out. Okay, which was fine in the long run, right? So that trade got stopped. So I was down a little bit on this account this morning, and then this showed up, right? So when I realized that I was wrong, okay, which is something I've had to learn to do, is to just realize like, dude, it's okay to be wrong. It's not a big deal, not a big deal. What you don't want to do is like if you get stopped out in a long, just immediately take a short, to try to, compensate or to try to be like, man, I was wrong. Let me just go the other direction. Definitely don't do that. But if the trade fits your trade plan, like this one here, this ended up being the manipulation. It came up into what? The fair value gap. Okay. We've definitely been bearish, right? Like we've definitely been bearish. I just thought that, I might get a nice little retracement pop right here, a little manipulation off the morning. Just took a small stab at a trade here, got stopped out. And then this trade right here came in. Once I saw these two candles come in and respect this fair value gap, I entered the trade when this candle opened and we popped, right? And as soon as we started to fall, boom, I snatched the trade and pretty much just rode this down until I got this account funded. Okay. So that's why I didn't hold. I'm not sure how much I would have held anyway, just because honestly, this was a 1 to almost 3 anyway. So I wouldn't have held much further. I wouldn't have rode this all the way down. Or if I did, I would have taken a lot of profit. I'd have taken like 75, 80% of it out and left a couple runners. And then my runners probably would have gotten stopped because this fair value gap right here has now been run through. Okay. So potentially we could be looking at a little bit of a retracement here, but who knows? I'm done for the day. I got this account funded and sitting good. That way we can turn this into an express funded and actually, make a little bit of bank on it. So yeah, just wanted to share those trades. Lesson being, be willing to be wrong, and then be willing to be, controlled but nimble enough to change your mind in your position, right? Okay. All right. Awesome. On to the next video.